really tough times, but there is always light at the end of the tunnel. So people who are facing problems, like, I face problem, and one of the personal example which I normally give is, that many people are suffering today. Somebody lost a dear friend, somebody lost somebody in the family, because of COVID. These have been very tough times. So it happened with me as well, when I was in my second year of law. uh, I had just started my career an year ago, and I lost my father. So my father passed away, and I had to sit for the exam 3 days later, when he passed away. So that is something which my mother encouraged me, that, even though he's no more, you have to sit for the exam. So that was something which I can never forget. And I think people today are facing a similar kind of an double pressure, which is an emotional setback versus, a personal uh, issue, that one has to keep moving forward on the professional side on this, during these very tough times. But I think what one needs to do is, what has happened, we have to be very sensitive about it. uh, there are emotional things. We have to come out of that emotional crisis, and we have to look at the positive side of things. We have to keep moving forward, and that is the only way, because one cannot sit down and not do anything. There could be a moment where you are in your mind not able to take a decision, so you have to pause, sit down, reflect, but be positive on the long term. So, for example, something happens today, unfortunate incident happens today. For next 1 month or so, your mind will be under a total, uh, you will not be able to take any decision. But then, uh, one has to be positive. That is the only way, you can come out of a dilemma or a tough situation like this.